Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this POKIPO drill shelf. So what you have here is half of the 16 or half of the 32-inch POKIPO drill shelf. So originally this was double the size because I wanted to make it a bit smaller. I used just half the shelf, and as you can see, it works just perfectly fine. Now I do want to thank POKIPO for actually gifting this to me. But what you essentially have here is that you have an area for your screwdrivers. You have the side mount, which comes with the electrical outlet. So anytime I need to prepare my drill chargers, I can just go ahead and turn this power button here on. So this right here is connected to the wall outlet right over here. On the bottom here, I have two of my drills. I have my chainsaw right there as well. On the side here, if you can see, there's little hooks, so I just attached some parts over there as well. This is where I actually go ahead and place most of the batteries. And then over there, we have our drill bits. But overall, I'd say that if you're looking for a nice, neat way to kind of compile all your drill parts and some of your tools, this works great. So definitely check it out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.